for lessons 4.1 to 4.5. We're going to review the formulas that we're going to be using. Slope formula would be C m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope-intercept formula is B, y equals mx plus b. Standard form is A, ax plus by equals c. We're going to look at these equations and determine whether or not they are in standard form. So we're going to look at the x. Is it first? Yes. Is it positive? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is the y second? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is the negative 2 on the right side of the equal sign? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. So yes, this is in standard form. Also, last, is the GCF 1? So the greatest common factor for 3 and 5 is 1. And the greatest common factor for 1 and negative 2 is 1. Number 5. Is the x term first? Yes. Is it positive? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is the second term y? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is the constant or number term on the right side of the equal sign? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. The greatest common factor for 6 and 9 is 3. The greatest common factor of 3 and 3 is 1. So they do not match. So this is not in standard form because the greatest common factor is 3. Is the x term positive and first? It's first, but it's not positive. So it's not in standard form. Is the x term first? Yes. Is it positive? Yes. Is it an integer? No. So it is not in standard form. So this is not an integer. This is not positive. And this is not greatest common factor 1. Now we're going to do some graphing. So this equation is already in slope-intercept form. So we can find our starting point, or our y-intercept, which is going to be 0, 2. Our slope is negative 3 over 1. Negative 3 is down, and to the right 1. So I'm going to go to 0, 2. I'm going to go down 3, to the right 1. Down 3, to the right 1. Go back to the starting point. Do the opposite. Up 3, to the left 1. Up 3, to the left 1. Draw my line. Slope is negative and non-proportional. The next one is also in slope-intercept form. I do need to add a line and change the sign, or keep, change, change. My starting point is 0, negative 4. My y-intercept is 0, negative 4. My slope is 1/3, so up 1, to the right 3. I'm going to find my starting point, 0, negative 4. I'm going to go up 1, to the right 3. Up 1, to the right 3. Go back to my starting point. Down 1, to the left 3. Down 1, to the left 3. Draw my line. This is a positive slope, non-proportional. This equation is not in slope-intercept form, so I need to put it into slope-intercept form so that I can graph. So I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to go 8x minus 2y is equal to negative 4. Keep, change, change. Negative 2y plus 8x is equal to negative 4. Is the y on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it alone? No, it is not. So I'm going to zero pair out the 8x. Negative 2y is equal to negative 8x minus 4. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Y is equal to 4x plus 2. M is going to be 4 over 1, up 4, to the right 1, and B is going to be 0, 2. So my y-intercept is 0, 2. Up 4, to the right 1, up 4, to the right 1. Down 4, to the left 1. Down 4, to the left 1. Going to connect my dots, ordered pairs. My slope is positive and non-proportional. Need to get this into slope-intercept form, so we're going to solve for y. Is y on the left? Yes. Is it first? It is not. 8y plus 6x using commutative property of addition. Is it alone? It's not. We're going to zero pair out the 6x. 8y is equal to negative 6x plus negative 32. Divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. Y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus negative 4. My slope is going to be negative 3 over 4, down 3, to the right 4, and my slope intercept or starting point is going to be 0, negative 4. I'm going to go down 3, to the right 4, down 3, to the right 4. Go back to my starting point, up 3, to the left 4, up 3, to the left 4. Connect my ordered pairs. Slope is negative, non-proportional.